Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Sometimes you have to borrow a car or rent a car when you're away from your home. And I don't know about you, but I think putting a mag mount on somebody else's car or drilling holes in their roof or attaching stuff to their windows probably ain't a good idea. But we got a radio. I've got something for you. Hang on a second. So this little device here is the MFJ 310, and it comes in a variety of different flavors with different connectors on the end of it. I'll have some links down below for you. And I'm gonna hook this up to my 5D, and it goes over the window. So it won't do any damage to the car, and it's not permanent. Installation is super simple, slides right over like that. And any water that hits is gonna go down off the bottom and hang off the drip loop. If you've tried to use an HT inside the car with the antenna still on it, that's a very weird, awkward kind of situation, hitting the roof and everything. It doesn't work out very well. This also solves that problem, and it gets you that big old ground plane that you're looking for through coupling to get you probably a little bit better signal range than you would from inside the cage. It's also a lot safer than going down the road with your HT strapped to the window like that. So all we have to do is take the antenna off of the HT and put it right on the window mount like that, and then roll the window up. And there it is. And then once you're inside the car, take the included coax, and you're good to go. Doesn't get any easier than that. And so what I'm gonna do is I am gonna run 5.2, listening on channel A, and I'm gonna run APRS, beaconing on channel B for the way home, and we'll see how it works out. Another accessory you might want for your car is a cigarette lighter adapter that will power your radio so you don't drain your battery on the entire trip home. And while we're talking accessories for the car, you can't beat a car, Coffee and Ham Radio's tumbler. Keeps your hot drinks hot and your cold drinks cold. It actually looks pretty decent on the car. It's very inconspicuous unless you know what you're looking for, and of course, don't put a Dayglow neon green antenna on it to draw attention to yourself, and it works fairly well. There was not a lot of APRS eye gates on the way back from the Houston Hamfest up to Livingston, Texas, where I was staying, but there were a few. There's a map of all of the ones that found me. I did hear a lot of traffic on 5.2 and made a couple of contacts that way, and actually I heard so much traffic on 5.2 I had to turn it down because it was, you know, sometimes it's a good day to talk on the radio, and sometimes it's not a good day to talk on the radio, and today was kind of a mix of both of those. It is really good to be back in my own truck with my own antenna. There will be a review on this antenna coming up on the channel shortly. It is a new antenna from Radioddity. So be sure you're subscribed to see that video when it comes out. In the meantime, there are links in the description down below for the MFJ 310 series of antennas. They have BNC, SMA, and if there's any other ones, I will link those as well. There's a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.